The COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated geopolitics by a number of years. We've had a few years development in just a few months. And on both sides of the China-UK relationship, we are seeing a higher level of confrontation. On one hand, China is being a lot more explicit about telling the UK, what it should and shouldn't be doing, and putting explicit pressure on issues around Hong Kong and issues around allowing Huawei in. Europe, and especially the UK, had always been China's plan as a backdoor entry to the US, right? With the US market looking difficult, Europe was a US ally, but it had a weaker economy, was more open to foreign investment. So Chinese firms, Huawei included, but also others, had really been doubling down on Europe, but especially the UK, due to its close ties to the US. Now, with the UK's foreign policy post-Brexit initially was talking about trying to be everybody's friend, and China's economic opportunities as really being held out. But China's actions in the pandemic and UK's foreign policy are now colliding, and we're seeing pressure from within the Conservative Party in the UK for a tougher stance on issues like human rights. And I think the outlook for, in particular, Huawei's investments in the UK is looking pretty weak, and bilateral FDI in both directions, I think, will go down. And firms of one country and the other, again, on both sides, I think are going to face more regulatory pressure.
Simon, I have 30 seconds for this answer. Are you any more optimistic on a Brexit deal since the last time we spoke?
It still looks pretty difficult. I mean, I think we're going to get a very basic deal with just the minimum of transitions. Policymakers are still pretty distracted by Brexit, and getting the pandemic under control is kind of a condition for any other serious policy making.